Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of future videos and lives. I go live every Saturday at 5, except this Saturday I'm going live at 3, and those details are in the description box underneath my video that is ready for Saturday. If you'd like to check that out, we're doing a charity sew along and a few people will be joining me, the Yvette Renee and the guy who sews, or aka Sean. So if you'd like to come over and check it out, love to have you. And if you're not new here and you've been here a while, thank you so much for coming back. I love to see everybody coming back and your comments. You all have been so supportive of me and leave the nicest comments, and even if I can't reply to them all, I look at them all, and thank you so much. So today I have the third box opening for the week. This has been a truly happy mail week. I had the pastry shop quilt box, and then I had my sew sampler from Fat Quarter Shop, and now I have Sew Yaz basic box. So I cut open the plastic because it's a little bit hard to open, and that's all I've done so far. So as you can see, the box is in there. And last year they did a grunge subscription box, and this year they did a basics box. So their box is basic, which is very fitting. So every month has been great so far. Each month they're doing a basic from a different fabric designer or different fabric company, excuse me. And I haven't been disappointed yet. So I can't wait to get this open. Let's take a peek. Okay, so this is what their box looks like. It's just a plain brown box, which is very fitting, their basics box. And I have not opened it yet. I can't wait to see what's in here. Ugh. Okay, let's see. So there's always a card with a little dad joke on the front. This one says, if a child refuses to nap, are they guilty of resisting arrest? These are pretty cute. I think one of the guys comes up with those, so that's a lot of fun. And then they don't include patterns necessarily in their box. They usually have a QR code that you scan to get the tutorial on how to put the project together and the pattern. There's usually a PDF, and sometimes it's not ready when the box arrives, but it'll be up eventually. So to get the pattern for this box, usually you have to do this, but I see a pattern in here, so this might be a different month. So let's see. It looks like, okay, that's talking about what's in the box as far as the fabric. There's a cute little butterfly sticker. That's adorable. I like that. Okay, so this month obviously is Stonehenge Fabrics from Northcote, because they put a little brochure about that in there. So I'm seeing some of the colors right here and I'm getting really excited. And then let's see, this says create this table mat using this fat quarter provided. Oh, this is cute. When stars align, 15 by 15 table mat. And this is Banyan Batiks by Northcote. So I think this is a little extra that Northcote probably threw in the box for the Sew Yeah guys. So this is really neat. I love this pattern. Gorgeous. Really nice. I think I would make that pattern with these fabrics. And then we have a spool of Aurifil, number 2615 thread. It's not Dove Gray. It's a little darker than Dove Gray. It's a gray in the gray family though. And then here is the fabric. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous. I mean, greens and purples together. Yes. Look at all this beautiful fabric. Oh, let's see. Oh, and then I was trying to keep it nice, but under all the fabric was this cute little pair of scissors. These little snips. These are adorable. So this is a butterfly themed box apparently, because that's a butterfly. That's a butterfly. Very nice. Oh, how cute. I was trying to keep these the way they came in the box, but I just dropped them all, but that's all right. I wanted to show you guys some of them a little bit closer. They're gorgeous. I've seen these before on So Yes channel, these Stonehenge by Northcote, but I've never had any. But they're lovely. I really like them. They're like marbled in different colors. Oh, I like this one. The color's not coming across perfectly on the camera. It's more like a bright lime green. It's coming a little bit duller, and this one is more pinky purple than when it's coming across, but oh, these are lovely. I'm so excited. All right, another amazing box. So yeah, I hit it out of the park again. I have not had one of their basic boxes that I haven't liked. Every single one has been amazing. They're doing a great job picking all the fabrics, picking the notions that are going in. They always include a spool of Aurifil thread. And sometimes we get an extra little notion too, which this month it was the little scissors. So far, I believe, if my memory is not failing me, which is very possible, so far we've gotten a sticker every month. We always get the dad joke. And then, of course, the, oops, fold it that way, the tutorial. So they provide tutorials on YouTube that they're private, so only people who get the box can get it, but they're great. They help you finish the project. So it looks like this is a separate project that they've probably thrown in there for free from Banyan Batiks, which are also by Northcote, so that's nice that they threw that in there. But here's the fabrics again. They're actually coming across better now that they're back in the box. I think the light was washing them out a little bit. They're absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to make something with this. And let's see if there's any more information on this card that I need to tell you about. Doesn't look like it. Just that there's 12 fat quarters. So that's it. And I can't wait to scan this and see what the tutorial is. And some months they've had interviews with some of the designers from some of the companies, so that's been a lot of fun. Yeah, so only thing that's left is to go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening, and if you like these fabrics, again, they're Stonehenge by Northcote. You should go check them out. I've seen them before. You can buy them lots of places, but So Yeah does have them, and they usually are pretty competitive with their prices, so I would go over to their website and check them out. I'm going to put this all away and keep it nice. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed watching me open the So Yeah Basics box. It's a great box. I believe right now they are sold out, but I will put the link to their website and you can go ahead and check. And if they're an opening, you can email them if you're interested in this box, and if there's an opening, they may have a wait list. They did that last year. I'm not sure if they're doing that this year or not, where you could get in on this if somebody cancels. Like I said, every month has been amazing so far. I've loved the fabric every single month, and this month is definitely no exception. These colors, oh, they're gorgeous. I can't wait to make something with this. So that's all I have for this, and I just wanted to remind you that on Saturday we're sewing the charity quilt for Snuggled in Hope, so I hope you come over and check that out. And then this Sunday I'm starting my sew along, the American Pride quilt, so lots of fun things coming up on my channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around. See you later, guys. Have a great week. Bye.